Okay.
And this is a snowstorm that Dawn came in town for. And this is her car. I want to see if it makes balls yet. No, it's... It's 12 degrees minus. This is 12 degrees minus is the... And the temp is...
I just fell into the snow.
And the clouds have been by. So we have to drive in this much snow. With a wheelbase of this.
Look at the snow blow. Woo!
The other car stuck because we couldn't get in their parking space. And it's 20-something.
Woo!
Because they're 20-something.
I'm sinking in the snow! Sinking in the snow! You gotta do your legs too, it doesn't count. Oh, that's a lovely shot. Oh, great! I'm so glad I have this dryer
So cool.
for you. And this is my garden wall and the drifts. Oh, gotta go inside, bye.